Hello, folks, and welcome back. Today we are on Coxey Truck Trail through Fawnskin, headed up all the way. We're going to run all the way to Apple Valley, and it's one of the things that you pass on the way up here, which is a beautiful campground and a flats. All right, guys, let's get rolling. Pine Flats and the staging area. Hey folks, we're here at Big Pine Flats today. Like I said, we were going to go Coxey Truck Trail, which is over here to the left, which heads towards Apple Valley. As you can see, it's 21 miles. Then kind of behind me, that road goes to Green Valley Lake. And then in a moment, we're going to show you this intersection right here. To the right goes to Fawnskin, and going straight back that direction to the east, that would be headed towards Holcomb Valley. All right, guys, let's get rolling. Hey guys, here we are still on the Coxey Truck Trail, but we did want to take the time to stop. Look at all these big rocks over kind of behind me. Got some other shots. All right, guys, let's get rolling. towards the end of Coxey Truck Trail, we started noticing frost check on some of the rocks. Recently, there was the ranch fire that was close to the Bowen Ranch.
Hey folks, welcome back. We just ran Coxy Truck Trail just about to the bottom towards Apple Valley, and we just in some of the footage you'll see a lot of the ranch fire that happened down in this area. we at Get Rolling, and I'm sure everybody else in Southern California in the high desert and all the communities would like to give a special thanks to all the firefighters, the men and women, all the first responders, and protecting all of us out here, because this could have been much worse than it really was. So we want to give a big thumbs up. If you see a firefighter, policeman, any first responder, make sure to say thanks, and we all appreciate them. All right, guys, get rolling.